via Kamega. One meet a colleague of mine in Songoma. He had invited me for dinner. Reaching Kaega, I saw 3 vehicles. Vehicles which blocked me, 3 vehicles blocked me with private registration. And immediately people were in civilian clothes, jumped out at convoy. All of them holding guns towards me. So I said, what is wrong? And then my driver was pulled out of the car, and the fellow came in the steering seat, claiming that he's a CID officer. I'm required at the police station to record about the demonstrations in Busia using government vehicles. So I've come here. He has been trying to talk to the Director General of CID. Unfortunately, he's not working. And he requested me to write a statement. But I declined to write a statement because the way I was treated as a criminal, I didn't like it. So my lawyer, whom I was with, Mr. Chesai, volunteered to write the statement on my behalf. So they have allowed me to go home, and they will communicate to me tomorrow.
So you were never questioned, maybe in connection with yesterday's protests?
Yeah, that's what I was being questioned, that I participated in yesterday's demonstration using government vehicle. That is what they are questioning me. And my lawyer is here, he wrote a statement on the same.
Maybe
if you are arrested like a terrorist, you do not need to show anything. Governor has been here all along for about 2 hours. They have not questioned him on anything. They have not accused him of anything. What they are doing is blackmail, intimidation, and that is what we are going to sue beginning tomorrow and demand that the governor's rights be respected and the infringement thereof be compensated.
Jumatatu tutakuwa na hapa na tutakuwa na maandamano.
Hakuna mtu atakushika.